In 1906, a night of tremors shattered San Francisco, toppling chimneys and rattling the bay into a sleepless panic. Firestorms roared through wooden streets as hydrants failed and embers rode gusts, turning blocks into glowing ruins. Amid the smoke, planners spotted a chance to redefine urban design with stronger codes, wider streets, and steel frames that could outlast future quakes. Rebuilding began with planned grids and new safety standards, gradually transforming disaster into a blueprint for modern resilience. Today, visitors walk revived neighborhoods, learning how patience and courage stitched a city from rubble.